Have you ever wondered why we feel more connected than ever, yet lack the deep communal wisdom of our grandparents? It started with a flicker on a screen and the birth of MTV. We traded centuries of sustainable social intelligence for 3-minute music videos, and your brain has never been the same since. Before 1981, social wisdom was a slow burn process. It was passed through oral traditions and long-form community interactions that required presence. This was the era of social sustainable intelligence, the ability to maintain deep structural empathy and a robust long-term collective memory. This physical proximity created a high emotional ethical intelligence, or EEQ, rooted in shared local context and mutual accountability. Then came 1981, an aesthetic shockwave that shattered linear storytelling. The MTV era replaced substance with vibes. Rapid-fire jump cuts and non-linear stimulation began to shorten the neurological attention span required for complex social problems. We transitioned from a participant-based culture to a passive consumer culture. Visual identity became the new currency, replacing shared values. This fragmentation of media led directly to the erosion of structural empathy. We lost the patience for the slow burn of community building. Local role models were displaced by hyper-stylized media archetypes. We began to prioritize performance over actual social utility. The deep patience required for sustainable intelligence could not survive the immediate gratification of the emerging 24-hour visual cycle. By 2026, those aesthetic seeds have bloomed into a full-scale crisis of algorithm-driven digital narcissism. We are no longer watching the screen. We have become the screen. Short-form dominance has finalized our retreat into individual echo chambers, stripping away our collective EEQ. This loss makes us vulnerable. Without communal intelligence, we drift into polarized movements that prioritize superficiality over deep change. But we can reclaim our collective wisdom. We must pivot away from high-velocity dopamine and back toward intentional, slow-burn community. Success in 2026 requires merging modern technology with the ancient cultivation of social sustainable intelligence. This is your blueprint for the future. To master your cognitive sovereignty and lead in this fragmented era, you must first understand the architecture of your own mind. Begin your journey with my books, AIQ Savvy and EQ Shrewd, Vanguard Leader, and Transformative Approaches, available now on Amazon in both Kindle and paperback formats.